In this video, I am going to show you see your Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. You can follow this easy 2020 method, easily access the Wi-Fi password. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, go to settings. After that, click on connection option. Here you can find the Wi-Fi name, simply tap the open the page. If you don't find the Wi-Fi section there, don't worry. This time you can swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel, locate the Wi-Fi icon, tap on hold it, then click on the details button and automatically go to the Wi-Fi page. Here you can find the exactly connected Wi-Fi on your phone. Once you find the connected Wi-Fi name, simply tap on the settings gear icon next to their name. From the pop-up menu appear, you can see password option. Simply tap on the eye icon, then verify to enter your fingerprint or phone screen password and automatically see the Wi-Fi password there. That is how you can easily done. Thanks for watching.